everyone, thanks so much for watching my videos. I really hope that you're enjoying them and that you're trying out the recipes for yourself. Be sure to check out my other videos and playlists, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new delicious recipes. If you have any recipe suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comment section. Stay connected with me on Instagram and check out my blog at plantbasednaija.com. If you would like to support this channel and gain early access to videos, you can support me at Patreon via the link in the description. See you in the next video.